This video's objective is to be able to write an equation of a line given 2 points. So the example we're going to work through is find the equation of the line passing through 0, 3, and 4, 5. The first thing I'm going to do is recall my slope equation, remembering that the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember that this is the change in y over the change in x. You may have heard rise over run. So those are all different ways you may have seen the slope, but this is the equation we're going to use. So I'm going to label my first coordinate I see x1, y1, and my second coordinate x2, y2. And now utilizing the equation, my slope is y2, which is 5, minus y1, which is 3, divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 0. I'm going to simplify this, and I get 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2. So there's my slope. Now we want the equation of a line. So the form would be y equals mx plus b, where y and x are variables. So we just found our m. So my final answer, y equals 1/2 x. But what we're missing is this b. And so to find the b, we're going to utilize the m and then one of our set of points. Now it really doesn't matter which set you use. However, I like to choose a set that's a little bit easier, and when I see a 0, I go for that one. And the reason is multiplying by 0 is 0, so that usually simplifies. So plugging in my x and y, I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. While the y from this pair is 3, I just found the m as 1/2. The x from this pair is 0, and then that helps me solve for b. Well, again, anything times 0 is 0. So I have 3 equals 0 plus b. Well, subtracting 0 doesn't change anything. So now I found my b. So my final answer, y equals 1/2 x plus 3. And that is my final equation.